Well, it's been an incredible ROI for us. It's exposed us to new customers who we haven't seen before. Obviously, the laser welding shop has been an incredible asset to the engineers that we brought to the show. So it's been both a business and learning experience and kind of a great enhancement for the company. So it's been quite a great show.
Cincinnati Incorporated knows that this is a place where things are happening in the laser industry, not just about cutting and metal fabricating like we do, but also welding applications, laser metal deposition, heat treating, marking are all at LME.
We came to the LME show last year. We decided to come again this year because we had such tremendous results. And when I say results, it's basically, it's not one of the bigger shows that's out there, but the clients that come through in here, and I was just talking to somebody else, they're great leads that you get here. It's not like a bunch of tire kickers that are just maybe thinking about doing something. These people have the money and they're looking to purchase things, and very big companies too. So we have a lot of potential from these day and a half that we've been here so far this year.
Well, Jim, this is our second year. We were here last year, and I thought this year far exceeded the number of leads that I even got last year. So from a value and like an ROI standpoint, I think this is probably the best show that we go to all year.
The location, because we are Chicago based, so I get to see a lot of customers that are pretty much a 400-mile radius from the Chicago area, and that's primary interest here.
I would say in general all events of LAA are a good place to find customers and people who are interested in this kind of optics. And today, for example, today is at LME, we got visitors from life science, for fluorescent techniques in life science, so for free electron lasers, yeah, of course, so it's a very wide range of customers and applications, yeah, and of course people from heavy metal stuff, yeah, who are doing something for cutting, welding and so on, yeah. It's just the right place for speaking with interesting persons, experts in a particular field.
So ABB Robotics is here because we have technologies involving laser welding and laser cutting with our robots. So it's very important for us to attend events that LME has to see the latest and greatest in terms of laser technology, head technology, welding, cutting technologies. So these are the type of things that we are involved with when we integrate robots, and the nice thing is we've seen a lot of customer interest as well this last couple days.
One of the cool things about LME is people are coming here to find out how to actually use laser technology in manufacturing. And so when they come to the LME show, they get to see laser cutting like we offer and all the other technologies. And so we do find people who actually want to use lasers in manufacturing who come to this show, and we get good leads from that.
Oh, we have tons of qualified leads.
Plan on coming back next year?
Absolutely. We're already talking about signing up today for next year.
Yeah, we got a lot of potential sales, and we found out that these customers are purpose driven. They come here with a purpose, and we provide them the information, and I think some pretty quick lead time or turnaround times on the sales cycle.
We've gotten a good amount of leads for both days, about an equal number, so we'll see how the last 2 hours goes, but we're satisfied with the amount of leads we have for yesterday and today.
It was a question about quality of contacts, no doubts. The quantity is not so big, yeah, but quality is much higher, and this is what is provided by LAA.
Yeah, I think it was a very good show from the perspective. With these type of shows, it's a little bit different. You got to look at them from a different perspective. At a show like this, you get very qualified quality type of leads. So, whereas you're not necessarily looking for just the foot traffic per se, but the type of people that go, and what we've found here in the last couple of days is engineers, business leaders, decision makers that have real technology interests in mind. And so those are the type of people that we want to talk to. In fact, those are the type of people that turn into leads and sales and all those good things for of why we come here.
Well, I think the U.S. lacks a credible industrial show, and this show has finally given the industrial laser sector a chance to shine and separate themselves from the grand world of photonics. So from that standpoint, it's really going to give the industrial user a great access to all the OEMs, contract manufacturers like myself, credible papers and oversight that you wouldn't get perhaps at any other conference in the US. So as I said, I think it's a great experience, and I look forward to returning, quite frankly.
The hot topics that we see in the news are innovation, manufacturing, and technology. They all come together in one place at LME. You can get it all at LME.
Overall, again, it's been a fantastic show, and we'll be back next year again.
One of the things that I was really encouraged by was we did some presentations. One of them was our robotic laser cutting presentation, and we've had, I think we had some 50 people attend that, and that of course gets exposure for us. It demonstrates our ability to deliver robotic laser innovations, and we've got a lot of questions and leads from that seminar.
We're here at the LME is because a lot of our customers, particularly with the industrial lasers, is located right here centrally in the Chicago metropolitan area. We come here for meetings and showing our products to customers who couldn't possibly come to Oxford, Massachusetts, or come to the Detroit area, and it's a perfect meeting venue for us.